Hey!
Who you waving at?
Feds, I think. They always drive past at this time.
Does that worry you?
When you marry a dragon, you gotta expect a few knights are gonna turn up to try to slay him. Jackasses. All of them, all of you.
Nice talking with
Whatever. You have fun. Pick a swell guy to kill. Hopefully someone with a young family who really miss him.
Hey!
Hey!
Is Mr. Pegorino around?
Sure, I'll get him. Boss! Anthony, will you shut up? In fact, will you fuck off? Go on, get out of here. Don't come back till you get a brain implant or something. I'm sorry, I'm nice to see you, Nico.
You too.
I got a couple of things I want to talk to you about. First up, can you kill this shithead?
Sure.
Second, come in here.
Oh, fuck.
So, listen, we got a bit of a problem with the Pavanos.
Yes, I noticed that at your meeting with them.
The way they look at us, we're bottom feeders. Always have been. We ain't a real family to them, just a bunch of Guernsey Goombas. When things are cool, we're getting fucked.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Sure. Listen, some of their boys are in town today. Gonna collect their piece of an Alderney bookie ring. Where it is, they're at the diner in Acta. Find them and follow them to the meet. You disrupt it, and I'll let you keep the money. But make sure you hit the Pavanos real hard! Capiche?
Yeah, capiche.
Thank you.
Alright everybody, what's going on? Kasam says it here, bringing you back some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions. This is the mission called Payback for Pegorino, and of course the title of this mission says everything. So all we have to do is just head over to the Pavanos turf and to give them a good hit.
I think that guy works for the Pegorinos. God, they must be desperate. Let's lose him on the way to the meet.
Alright, there you go. So you just have to chase the Pavanos and make sure that they lead you to the to its destination, to the basically the heart of Pavanos turf. So of course you cause havoc over there. So just chase them down. Just really nothing special. Just follow them until you actually get over here, the auto eroticas, and there's all these dudes here. So all you have to do is all the enemies are marked in the red map onto the red blip on the map. So just take them all out. Simple as that. And of course the easiest thing, again, if you have a grenade or even an RPG, would be fantastic. You would just blow up all the vehicles there and just kill every single one of them. But of course, I don't have that. I don't have any of it, so I've got to do the old-fashioned way. Just pull out the gun. You see, just scroll through the weapons. Don't have any grenades. Just crazy, but I just didn't want to waste on my assault rifles, so I thought pull out the pistol. See if I can get to him. See, the range is not that great, actually. Any more of that there? Oh, he came out the door. See, Mr. Braveheart.
Take a look around, buddy.
See, look, I'm just keeping an eye on the door. There is someone come out. Come on, show me what you got. Nice. Okay, so he gave me a hint. I can just go through from that way. So I'm gonna strafe it. Oh, here they are. I'm gonna strafe, start strafing, and just get closer. See, so judging by the map, it seems like just 2 more guys. Another guy here. Should be 1 more guy here. No, 2 more guys. Oh, there he is. That's the last one. Oh no. Close. Mother trucker. That's his last guy. Nice. There you go. So once you've killed all of the dudes, all you have to do now is just to lose the wanted level to complete the mission. So of course, I'll just be picky. I'll just pick my cars here. And at this bit, I did try to call Francis, trying to take liberties of this. And of course, check this out, it doesn't work. So don't try that, it'll be a waste of time. And oh no, got some wedge, oh no, got some wedge. Get pretty scared here, that probably get busted. Of course, doesn't matter, just don't panic and just had to escape here. That's it, just had to lose your 2-star wanted level. And as you saw me demonstrate, calling Francis McCreary does not work. So once you've lost the 2-star wanted level, you will end up calling Pegorino.
I got that stuff, Jimmy.
Well done, my boy. I hope you made him suffer. Gave him that all-that-ass Pegorino perk. Is there a nice little haul in it for you?
All right.
Maybe you'll give me a little cake there. Get something up the left. That's how us Italians do things with adventure.
Good thing I'm not Italian.
Alright, there you go. So that's really all that mission, really. I'm Sam Sensei. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm out.